Hi, my name is Badar, and I want you to introduce with my journey on Upwork from zero to a top-rated freelancer. I didn't think of freelancing as a way to make quick money when I first started. For me, freelancing, especially on Upwork, was a decision that would last for a long time. These are some of the insights of my freelancing journey on Upwork. I wanted a job where my skills were more important than I where I lived. And in the beginning, Upwork seemed like a lot of work and very competitive. There are thousands of freelancers, competition from all over the world, and clients who expect a lot. But I learned something very important early on. Upwork doesn't pay people for noise, it pays people for skill, consistency, and trust. I didn't begin as a brand. I started out as a professional who knew how to handle data. My goal was simple: help clients solve real problems and be clear. What really helped me was realizing that freelancing is not about looking for work, it is about making connections that last. People come back when they trust you, and when they come back, freelancing becomes steady. I eventually found my main area of expertise: data analytics, business intelligence, and data engineering. These skills are very useful because all businesses make data, but not many people know how to use it right. Businesses don't want spreadsheets, they want things to be clear, concise. Tools like Power BI and Looker Studio changed everything here. Customers love dashboards that are easy to use, automated, and always work. When decision makers can see insights right away, they know they are useful. Clients began to ask bigger questions as projects got more advanced. How can we make this work automatically? How can we link together more than one data source? How can this grow at that point? Data engineering was the next step in my journey. I went from doing short-term projects to long-term partnerships by building pipelines, working with APIs, and using cloud databases. One common mistake new freelancers make is only thinking about tools. Tools are important, but your attitude is even more important. Clients don't hire tools; they hire people who can solve problems. If you know what a business needs and are honest, skilled, then after that skills will come. The most important things I learned on Upwork is to learn useful skills first, then keep delivering. And in the end, you don't just get jobs, you become a brand. Today freelancing is more than just a job for me. It is who I am as a professional. If you are taking freelancing seriously, it can also become a real long-term job for you if you are learning data analytics, Power BI, or data engineering. Thank you so much.